Okay, here is my demo. So I have to explain, I'm using this one as a boom. I am using a positioning light, which is one here and one here. And I mounted it there because you see the arm, so when the arm is like this, the boom is closed. So from there I went down here, and this is the terminal down limit output, and I have wired here push buttons inside which go to my push button station. So to make a demonstration, open, close. The sound comes because I had to disconnect the springs, otherwise the barrier wouldn't work. So I need to connect my light. The light represents the magnetic lock, which is connected. So when we watch now the light, and I'm opening the barrier, then the moment the barrier moves, the light goes off. And you see the other light coming on because it's a changing relay, so it closes actually as the other. So a magnetic lock works the following: when there is power, like now the light with the light, when there is power, then the magnet is active. So and the moment the barrier moves, it's deactivated. So unless the magnetic lock has a very long delay time for the magnetic field to interrupt, I believe that's supposed to work. End video.